YouTube. As you know, I just put this stereo in, and I had a problem with the remote. It didn't work. Now, I thought at first it was the radio or it's the remote itself. They come with these little batteries. This one's a 2025. Went and I couldn't find this battery anywhere. I thought it was the battery that went bad, or they gave me a bad battery when they shipped it. Went and I probably went around 4 or 5 days looking for this battery. Always sold out. Well, I went to Walmart in a different side of town, found it, and guess what? Yep, it was the battery. Come on now. How you gonna have a brand new stereo and they come with a bad battery? Oh well, at least it wasn't nothing major. That's all I had to say about this one. Till next video.